Hey fam, Chi here. I have a Sephora / Ulta haul for you guys. I've done a little bit of shopping, okay? So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I've picked up. I don't think it's a lot. It might be a lot. But anywho, I bought some things, okay? We're gonna start off with Sephora. So, listen. I've been trying to do this whole, reusable thing, but I had to pick these up again. This is the Shiseido facial cotton pads. I like this to remove my eye makeup. I always try to use like the makeup eraser and throw a little of my Lancôme eye removal stuff on there, but it's nothing like having these. I tried. Listen, I tried. I can go green in a lot of places, but this one I just can't give up. So I ended up picking up a pack of these because I missed it. Okay, I missed it. I also picked up the Beauty Blender cleanser. This one is the really big one. This is the pro version, I believe, too. I really like the soap that they use. This shit is mad expensive, but I really feel like my brushes and my beauty sponges really do get clean with this. So this is why I wanted to pick this up, because it just works like nothing else that I have tried. And I've used homemade stuff. I've used all types of stuff. And this one, the Beauty Blender soaps are just my A1. This is the first time I've actually used the pro one, but I hear that it's way better than the regular one. So if I had to, spend a couple of extra dollars on it, that's what I did. So that's what I did. This one I'm very excited to try. This is the Kosas Sports AHA deodorant. Now, I've been using natural deodorant for the past 2, maybe 3 years. And I really wanted to try this one because it does have AHA in it. I typically use glycolic acid at night just to help with the odor, because just natural deodorant alone, your girl can't do it. She sweats. But I really wanted to try this one out because it's odor fighting, which is what I needed. But because it is a AHA, it's going to help kind of resurface the texture that I do have on my armpits, as well as kind of lighten them up. And that's really what I'm trying to go for, is something that will lighten up my armpits. I want to have cute armpits, okay? So that's why I really wanted to try this out. I'm not going to use it on the same days that I use my glycolic acid. So I'm just gonna really try this out. I heard really good things about it. It is unscented, I believe, and I think this is a roll-on. Let me pop it open. Yeah, it's a roll-on. So, give it a little shaky shake and, throw that thing on, let it dry down, and then put on your clothes. If you are using any sort of AHA, make sure it dries, because you don't want to mess up your clothes. You don't want to get like lightening, almost like a bleach aspect onto your clothes. So I'm gonna tell you right now, make sure these things dry. But I'm excited to try it. It's got really good reviews on it, so we'll see how it is. But if it is not working for my funk, it's gonna have to, it's gonna have to go back to the store. Sorry. I usually don't get really excited about samples, but I did get a sample of the Shani Darden eye renewal cream. So this is a black-owned company, so I was really excited to see it. So as soon as I saw that I can get a sample of it, I was like, oh, let me get it. So yeah, black-owned. I just wanted to throw that out there. On to Ulta. Some of the things that I purchased during the 21 Days of Beauty, and others, it wasn't on sale. I think I had a coupon, but nonetheless, I bought stuff. So starting off with Juvia's Place. If y'all saw my Juvia's Place swatch video, I instantly fell in love with their liquid lipsticks and the lip glosses. So I just was like, well, let me get some more. So I ended up getting Bronze Rose, and I know I didn't buy the same color. I bought the same color twice. God, there's no way. I gotta check my receipt. I'm upset. Okay, I got two of the same color, but here's Bronze Rose. This one is a lip gloss. It's one of those like neutral pinky shades, just really standard. I thought it was cute, so I bought it. And then I was that excited that I bought the same color twice. Look at me. But look at this. This is kind of like a terracotta burnt rusty color. I thought this was really, really cute. This one is a liquid lipstick. I'm not gonna make the same mistake. So it is a liquid lipstick. I gotta return this other one because I gotta get my money back. But yeah, I'm excited to try those. Something that was on the 21 Days of Beauty, of course, my Lancôme. This is my favorite eye makeup remover in the world. So I ended up getting two because they were half off. So why not get two? I had to double up. It's just my favorite. And then combined with my cotton, yo, it makes taking off my eye makeup so much easier. If you haven't tried this combination, I'm telling you right now, just try it. Just try it. You just throw a little of this onto one of the cotton pads. You sit it on your eye, count to 30, then tap, 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 tap. Everything comes off. I'm telling you right now. I don't care what's in it. I truly don't care. All I know is that I love it and it works. So I'm always by that. Another thing that was on the 21 Days of Beauty, Benefits Precisely My Brows. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I always get the shade 4.5. It's a neutral brown. I could use shade 5, which is kind of like that brown black, but I don't know. I just like the light brown. Okay, it gives my eye a little bit more dimension. It's not as harsh on my eyes, but these are my favorite pencils, hands down. It's just that girl for me. They come through, they work. I freaking love it. It's just my pencil. It's always gonna be there. And then it's half off, so I picked up two. Another thing that I picked up, double up, my favorite mascara, Monsieur Big. Always gotta get this. This is another Lancôme product. Now that I'm back in the office full time, yeah, I might throw a little mascara on since I'm basically the only one wearing a mask, but you know, mascara. But of course, I love this mascara. It's my favorite. I have never gone wrong with that mascara. Even though I am a lash kind of girl, some days I really do like wearing mascara. And it doesn't do that crumbly thing that I hate with a lot of mascaras. I'm really mad that I missed the day that they had the NARS mascara. And I'm super mad that I missed the day that they had minted lipsticks for half off. I was crushed. I was like, oh, day after day. I was so upset with that because I really wanted the minted. There's like 3 colors that I really wanted, and yeah, I dropped the ball. But it's okay. It's a black-owned company, so I have no problem spending full price on that. Okay, so I'm a support regardless. Y'all seen all my minted cosmetics videos. I stand for minted. But the last thing I ended up getting is Good Molecules. If you didn't know, Good Molecules is at Ulta, and I'm super excited about it because my friend Zia, you know, she is my skincare guru, and when we went to DC for a girls' weekend, she had brought some of her products, and I was like, girl, what you got? Let me try that. So if I can get this open, I'd be happy to show you what I got. Please hold. All right, so the first thing I got was the Rosewater Cleansing Gel. I tried this and I really liked it. It's something super basic, just really gentle on the skin. I don't care for my cleansers to be like super deep cleaning. Well, I wanted to clean my skin, but you know, I don't need the extra like razzle dazzle when it comes to just cleansing my skin. And I really enjoyed it. I thought it would be very overwhelming with the rose water, and it would smell like a bouquet of roses, but it really wasn't too bad on my nostrils. So I really dug this. It was just really simple and it got my skin clean. That's it. So I really enjoyed it. Now another product that I really loved was this pineapple exfoliating powder. I tried it one time. I liked the frothiness of it, and it didn't feel like rough on the skin as you're trying to exfoliate. So because this is pineapple, I think it's using more so of a fruit enzyme to exfoliate your skin, but I really do like it. It comes out like a powder. You put it in your hand, throw a little water on it, foam it up, and just rub it on your face. I just really liked the experience, the sensory experience that I had with this product. I really did enjoy it, so I had to pick this up and add it to my collection. And then the last product I tried that she brought down was this Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I kind of don't really go for a lot of eye creams because I just feel like you could just put your moisturizer under there and boom, you're done. Now, if it's an eye cream with a retinol in it, that's different. But when it's just hydrating, I really skip out on that. But this one was really hydrating, and it shocked me because I woke up, I was like, oh, this is a little hydrating, a little something. So I was like, yeah, we're gonna pick this up because I really enjoyed using this. I just felt like it hydrated really nicely under my eyes, so it's perfect if you're someone who wears makeup and has concealer on there, especially if you have a drier concealer. This will work out for you. So this is why I got this. I'm mad this is indented. This better not be open. All right, making sure it's not open because I see a little dent like somebody been using it. But I really enjoyed using the Good Molecules line. I do want to do a further deep dive into it, only because, you know, if you use something a day or two, you know, you're like wowed by it, but I really want to see the long-term effects of these products. So I was just like, I'm gonna do a full review of this because I really do like what I have so far because it's bomb. I'll keep you up to date on that, and in the meantime you can go check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys.